The NRP now enables you to record and replay videos. Indeed, while you're running your simulation, you can click the red round button on the top menu bar to record all the events of your simulation. You can of course also choose to pause the recording, to resume it, or to stop it at any point during the simulation. You give your recording a name, as shown in the video in a few seconds, and then you can find it in your NRP front-end main view, like here. Then you just click the play button to replay your recording, and you end up in the very same 3D environment which you can navigate, which you can interact with, like show spikes, read transfer functions, but of course everything is read-only. You can also trigger the camera viewer or other sensor viewers. This new feature is extremely helpful for simulations that can go slow or that have to run overnight.